Okay. Please think about your best friend or somebody that you really care about. Now imagine him or her getting shot. Even just the thought of that does not match the broken hearts of parents of Sandy Hook. And this leads to my topic. Should lawmakers respond to Newtown tragedy? Answer is, duh. No one wants to see their loved ones get shot. Do you? Now after all of this, let's think of how officials or lawmakers respond to this. First, official Andy Goodman said that from around 1994, the lawmakers started thinking about changing or rephrasing the Second Amendment because they thought something like this would happen, to not allow they're so-called drums or clips that are more than 10 bullets.
So in conclusion.
So in conclusion, lawmakers should do something about Sandy Hook by creating laws that ban